strength of character, towering performance, and blazing passion has led ACC to glory once again by adding another jewel to its crown, the new cement plant at Wadi in Karnataka. Capable of producing 13,000 tons per day of clinker, ACC Wadi is today the largest cement plant in the world, a distinction which puts the town of Wadi and the Indian cement industry prominently on the world map. ACC first set up a plant here in 1968. Since then, it has made admirable progress from erecting India's first 1 million ton plant in 1982. And now, winning the status of the world's largest cement plant. ACC Wadi has achieved its goal to become the global leader in cement manufacture by adding world-class technical competence, powered by the undeterred spirit of its biggest asset, a highly dedicated and skilled manpower. Cement manufacture starts with a blast in the quarry to extract limestone, the principal raw material. Limestone is taken to the crusher to be crushed. And mixed with small proportions of additives like bauxite and iron ore. A quality check is carried out on the conveyor belt itself by the cross-belt analyzer, a unique feature of Wadi. The output of the raw mill, now in a fine powdered form called the raw meal, is fed into the preheater, a structure 183 meters high. The preheated raw material now enters the rotary kiln. The rotary kiln is at the heart of the cement production process. The kiln at Wadi is 6 meters in diameter and 96 meters in length. Its production capacity is the largest in the world. This enormous rotating cylinder is among the largest moving machines on Earth. The kiln runs 24/7, stopping only for planned maintenance for a few days in a year. As the raw meal enters the kiln, it is heated by an intense flame produced by burning finely pulverized coal. Fired to over 1400 degrees Celsius, the raw material turns into black granules called clinker. The clinker is cooled and stored in this silo. From here it travels to the cement mill to be ground with a small quantity of gypsum to a fine powder we know as ordinary Portland cement. In the packing house, cement is packed in 50-kilogram bags. Then, on a conveyor, each bag goes on its final journey by rail and by road. For large customers, cement is offered in bulker trucks or transported by rail to the bulk cement terminal. Wadi has 2 ultra-modern satellite cement grinding plants in Karnataka. One in Tondibabi, near Bengaluru, where clinker is ground with fly ash to produce Portland Pozzolana cement, a blended cement. The second grinding plant is in Kudithini, near Bellary, where clinker is ground along with slag, a waste from steel plants. Portland slag cement is another variety of blended cement. ACC Wadi is acknowledged not just for its scale of production, but also for high standards of quality control. Advanced laboratories keep a constant vigil on the quality of raw materials and the final product.
With this expansion, we give a very consistent, a very good product to the customer.
The Central Control Room, or CCR, is the brain of the cement plant. It monitors and controls the entire process from a single point. In the true spirit of ACC, safety is a matter of overriding concern, In fact, more important than production. For each employee, observing cardinal safety rules and wearing safety gear is compulsory. Advanced pollution control systems in the plant minimize fugitive and particulate emissions. The goal is zero emissions. The cement kiln is the most environment-friendly means of disposing hazardous industrial wastes and municipal wastes. ACC's Alternative Fuels and Raw Materials Group offers waste management services through co-processing.
One of the key initiatives which we have taken is the supporting the industry who are generating hazardous waste. Today we are having around 12 industries who are giving hazardous waste to us and we are processing.
ACC Wadi does not only prepare cement, it prepares people for bigger challenges by providing them quality training, comfortable amenities, and green surroundings. Good neighborliness is evident in Wadi. Hand in hand with the government of Karnataka, it has focused on employment generation, housing, and rural infrastructure, apart from health and education, as part of a larger goal of good corporate citizenship. The Wadi plant offers a great site. This engineering feat took 22 months to complete, with a total investment of 1,700 crore rupees, including its grinding units and a power plant. A feat achieved by ACC entirely from its internal resources, its in-house skills and manpower.
This plant is built by all of us, all internal resources, and that is why we are able to commission the plant very fast and the plant is running very well.
While the recent achievements are worth the victory sign from Team Wadi, ACC is not a company to rest on its laurels. With bigger dreams and higher goals, the Team ACC is ever ready to add a new dimension, to face another challenge, and create another new benchmark.